What common pitfalls should you avoid? Trying to do too much at once. The more complex you make things, the more areas you're trying to focus on, it can be difficult. Be really clear on a few key spaces and keep trying little and often. As time goes on, you can expand, you can add more, you can learn more, but also reuse certain things. Just be clear on what it is you need to learn and go, you know what? I've got a handful of standard questions. I'll always ask those. That'll help build up my base and start the next conversation. And another common pitfall is trying to think of your service purely and it exists on its own. It doesn't. Your service, government, does not exist in a vacuum. Things your service does will look similar to things other people do in real life. You're making a form to add a collection of something. Think about it. People might do refunds or returns from Amazon. They understand how this process might work. It's how you balance what they do in the real world, what they do in your world, and how you meet those together. And just work together, be honest, accept failure, and keep moving forward.